incompetent, feeble-minded, stupid, unimpressive, no future.
You're worthless. And Hackman. Hackneyed. The word is hackneyed. I'm sorry. He meant to say hackneyed. He doesn't. But the worst thing is, you're all alone. Well, no, that's not completely true. I mean, I have you guys, right? Do we count? No, I don't think we count. We don't count. You know what? I'm done letting you stupid animal hats terrorize me. Existential dilemma exacerbated by psychosomatic projections? Try bird therapy. Hi, I saw your advertisement for bird therapy and Okay. So, what is this bird therapy all about, really?
Relax. All will be revealed.
Do you mind if they play Potlids over there?
Who?
Nothing, never mind.
The red-headed woodpecker brings peace to your heart. The red-winged blackbird brings you great health. The downy woodpecker brings great strength. The blue jay will show you a truth only you can see.
The first time I realized that I was a person is I was walking out of the apartment building. It was a beautiful summer day, and as I'm walking down the way towards the way out, there's a couple of steps. I walked down a step, and all of a sudden I stopped and I looked up in the sky and I said, "Oh my God, here I am. This is me. I'm aware of that I'm a person and I'm a being and that I'm alive." But I'd never felt that before. And I said, "Oh my God," and now I get a chance to play with Johnny and Frankie, two of my playmates today. And holy mackerel, it's just great. And I'm just a little kid. And it was really a tremendous feeling realizing that all of a sudden you existed.